Sige, tumayo ka.
As you can see, I have already twixtured my footage. Now select your layer and add exposure. Set the value to 2, add a keyframe, go to the end of the layer, and set the value back to 0. Press U for keyframes and select the keyframes. Press F9 to easy ease and go to the graph editor. Follow my graph. Now close the graph editor and copy the exposure and paste it on other layers. Adjust the keyframes according to your needs. Now select your layer, press T for opacity, and add a keyframe. Go to the end and change it to 0. Select the keyframes and press F9. Go to the graph editor and follow my graph. Now press S for scale, add a keyframe, set the value to 120, and drag it to 1 frame before the layer. Now set the value back to 100, and drag it to 1 frame after the layer. Select those keyframes and press F9. Go to the graph editor and follow my graph. Now select those keyframes, copy them, paste them on the other layers, and adjust the keyframes. Now select those keyframes and right-click on them. Go to Keyframe Assistant and click on Time Reverse Keyframes. Now go to the graph editor and adjust the graph. Now copy these keyframes and paste them on this layer and adjust the keyframes. Now copy these keyframes and paste them on this layer. And copy these keyframes and paste them on this layer. Now select your layer and add BCC Directional Blur. Set the blur amount to 400 and set the angle to 0. Add a keyframe to blur amount, go to the end of the layer and set the value to 0. Press U to view keyframes and select them. Press F9. Go to the graph editor and make a tight graph. Now copy the effect and paste it on other layers, adjust the keyframes, and go to the graph editor and adjust the graph. Now continue the process. Now for the shake, add twitch. Set the amount to 40 and the speed to 80. Now enable light and slide. Go to operator controls, slide, and set the direction to 90. Add a keyframe to the amount, go to the end of your layer, and change the value to 0. Select these keyframes and press F9. Go to the graph editor and make a tight graph as before. Now copy the effect and paste it on other layers, and adjust the keyframes and graph. For this layer, I'm going to add a second twitch effect. Set the amount to 7 and the speed to 130. Enable light and slide. Go to operator controls, light, and set the light amount to 300. Then go to slide, set slide twitches to 9, and motion blur to 30. Now for the glitch, add an adjustment layer and press the left and right brackets. Add invert and turbulent displace. Set the amount to 600 and the size to 5. Change the displacement type to vertical displacement. Now duplicate the layer, place the time ruler here, and press the left bracket. Delete the turbulent displacement if you want. Now duplicate it, and place it wherever you want the glitch to be. For the last one, I'm going to add the turbulent displacement again. Now don't forget to enable motion blur, and don't forget to subscribe and like.